Jamaica people them suffer, you know. PJ, Jamaica people suffer. I like a persons who are overseas right now. PJ, they run left the country, you know.
PJ, make we try run we left the country. And then Portia come in, make we also run.
Michael Manley make people roll like a thief in dog. People run. Hey!
Lord
Roll like
Jesus.
10 Batman.
Hey! The young good thing chump. The young thing good thing chump do. He say young two gender recognize man and woman.
Yeah,
so
we like that.
The friggin' gay flag can come down from our embassy.
Yeah, we like that.
Man, guys, man, go and tell 2 man go up to anniversary, them dirty man, like the dirty PNP go up to anniversary 2
see
man.
them on internet I tell man about happy
Dirty PNP,
yeah, me no matter what is.
Happy anniversary, them I tell 2 man.
Yeah, but if they want to do that thing, you know, do it in a private, do it in your bedroom. Do it in your bedroom. That's too damn much hard.
Me say me never see this. Sometimes when they come out to talk with, and when me go on internet and see them, me just scroll past them. But me see what them talk say, you know.
Auntie, the blue that pulled the other day, auntie and uncle, the blue that pulled the other day, you get me?
Yeah.
He's saying that the persons who are from 55 to 65 more support the PNP. Why?
Because they say they die-hearted. And then I see what they die-hearted for. But me sometimes I say I want PNP win and take back a free medication from them and make it free. And then they that value my mama in there too.
Why that age group there say PNP 65,
because
65?
Because they say they die-hearted and nothing to them like PNP. To make them poor and poverty more.
No,
man, the PNP them there.
They were communists in a manly time. They were
communists,
right.
yeah.
I'm man, the PNP them there.
Right.
And,
but
and the pitney then grew up and then study politics to themselves, then just do away with them mama and them papa.
Like your life, people, like your life, so like your life.
Me a PNP, so me a stay. Me mother a PNP, so me a stay PNP.
Right.
If PNP do something good, me couldn't say labor right.
True.
But me not see them come and do nothing good. Me have 6 picnic and a Rossi send them to school.
Basically, I say you suffer on the PNP, me auntie.
Me suffer on the PNP hand, me I tell you.
Well, me ask you something. Me say that time if you go to buy rice or saltfish, you have to marry it and buy safe sex.
Them 10 times them me a pick me and me mama yard, and when me put mama send me out the road for buy, me remember call me and me mama have to mix it make dumpling with water.
Jesus Christ. So they make it look like a scandal.
When Sunday come, my mama have to put on the peas and take caramel Tony for rice and peas.
But themselves don't make it look like a Siaga was the problem,
and
man.
Siaga come in 1980 and when Siaga that come in, we see the plane a fly up in the roof in our ear and say 12 days to deliverance. When Siaga win in 1980, a pay rice and flour and sitting. When PNP time, when Christmas come, not even chicken. We have to take chicken back mixed with chicken to get to eat on Sunday. Christmas dinner. Nobody can tell me about PNP. PNP when I wicked is make you poor and poor and poor.
Sure man, crazy people.
Jesus Christ.
That's why them love talk about them love the poor auntie because they want to stay poor.
Like,
them down.
Hear what Chum say. In like the people and we can't read because they don't read much. Yeah, they never read much because they never read in 25 manifesto. So you mean that see what him a go do? Got to a fine print, then a read.
PNP are wicked for true auntie.
Of course.
They be a wicked party, man. Wicked party.
Wicked set a party.
Just give them.
Look here.
PNP them some food. And food,
yes,
and then go with it.
And a
me tell you which constituency me did live in. Never win labor rights seat yet from me go there. Me live in a Natalie constituency. Me work every politics coming, election coming. Me work.
But the constituency them straight while you over there run down, man.
Whoever there a back. Me say me and every day me cuss people them. As election come, then go vote for PNP.
No development, nobody.
No development.
No, they suffer.
Yeah.
The fool people, I'm telling them fool, man.
So auntie and uncle, what do you think about Portmore turning the 15 parish?
Make Portmore turn the 15 parish. They can't stop it again.
They can't stop it.
Fitz Jackson can't stop nothing at all.
Yeah, he better go look for him. What are the doctor want him love her? Dolls. Him and the other one.
Again. It done gone through the gate already.
Yeah. But look here.
Try block it, then can't block it again. Then as I said, they can't hold on to every go then, them still
They can't hold Godchild. They can't hold.
Oh, you be trouble God Pitney.
Trouble God Pitney.
But can I give you the patient's bed numbers?
Who is that?
Nation, mute.
One nation. Hey, what time Senate? What time Parliament start?
Parliament start about 2 o'clock.
Oh, but who watch Senate? Yeah.
So, so uncle, you watch all them things there too?
Of course, everything.
What you mean if you watch it? We go on YouTube and watch it now.
You go on TV. I see everything live from the TV.
Oh, that's it to me. You're up to date, man.
How about they were up to date more than Jamaica? Cause you never even know about how the woman and the man did there.
Yeah, come never know that. You are telling me.
Okay.
Alive.
So hear me I said to auntie and uncle, but auntie, you first. What kind of message you send to our Prime Minister today?
Well, my Prime Minister doing the good work and keep on doing the good work.
Good work.
That God sent him out there to do for the people of Jamaica.
And God bless him.
And God bless him and continue to bless him, man.
Continue to bless him.
Uncle, when you tell him what you say,
Same
uncle.
thing what she said.
Same thing.
To bless my Prime Minister.
Yeah, man,
Right,
keep you see, I'll do it with Prime Minister of the whole of Jamaica upon the head if it's study at night time. You saw it look fresh.
Oh
Fresh.
God, man, the man smooth.
God is with him.
Oh, you know what the polls said though? The polls said that majority of the women in Jamaica prefer the Jamaica Labour Party. It's because of the Prime Minister.
Right, cause my work, man. My work.
All of the women them are say labor right now.
Yeah. I'm a work, he's a family man. Family man.
Of course he's a family man. He's a family man. Can you know about family?
Yeah.
Right now,
you see what they when Parliament are open all the people and come out for him?
What?
Yes.
I see it, man.
Right.
The people them come out and them go on
The PNP man then are like woman.
None of them. See, they send a man a Portland. We'll figure out all the little young boy them. Remember him?
Ice Prat. His name Ice Prat.
Yes. Miss
The
Pratt.
big fish. When they the big fish then send down there.
Yeah, Miss Pratt.
So him can't win that seat there though.
How to win?
Why if you win down there? And them me originate from, you know?
Oh, West Portland.
Yes, in a Miss Vaz here I did live.
Right.
Him can't win down. Him not think him can beat Miss Vaz. Miss Vaz had the whole heap of work it look like.
What?
Hello, and the best. Me have one cousin good on there in our day. He said, Marjan at the Portland where you know one on it, you know again, you know.
That's what I heard.
A different place.
And St. Thomas too.
Yeah,
You talking? St. Thomas really come a far way.
Yes.
I remember St. Thomas was the forgotten parish.
Yes. The parish.
Yeah, St. Thomas of Highway. St. Thomas of Highway.
One time I sent me, it was the forgetting parish, you know, and then it go over back go get St. Thomas.
St. Thomas of Highway.
St. Thomas a go on with himself.
Yes, St. Thomas a build a development.
Me talk all the while, man. Anytime me come here, I drive through St. Thomas to go to Portland. Me not go on the junction. When me come back, me go on the junction.
That's the new route where everybody are taking now from St.
Yes.
Thomas.
And them said that the land expensive went up.
Yes, land price raised because guess what? Hotel them a rush go there right now.
Yeah, right.
And you know St. Thomas never have no hotel.
And me fi tell you, all hotel was on the north course.
All of the hotels them a run go St. Thomas, you know.
Yes, and Portland.
And Portland.
Me see them a port here demonstrate say for Blue Lagoon say no free beach no there. But Blue Lagoon you can't go there go just swim so.
Yeah, now I mash up the reef and everything.
PNP, them dirty PNP. They open up beach or them. So one of the beaches where you used to pay, it open up free for the people.
The government,
Yes.
the government free up 9 beach.
free long time. Like
9 beach government free up. Yeah, 9 beach government free up right now. Winifred
Like
still
live
free.
guys and share live. Like live and share guys. People can get the message.
Winifred still free, man.
Yeah.
So me don't know what they come and talk about. When I time Shaka, the man red run in a parish council, it's like I won out of Boston where and
Yeah.
something.
But Boston did lockdown and a labor right me back.
Well, that again.
Yeah, but and then fix it up. I heard them
Yeah, them fix up
nice.
Boston and
And I believe that beach, that free beach too.
Yeah,
but you
Boston
can't
free
have
beach.
everything. You
It's
can't.
free.
Let me ask a question. How money are gonna come in our country if you have everything free?
Yeah, everything can be free.
Everything can't be free, and the government can't do everything. People have to
Exactly.
work in their constituency.
Exactly, auntie. We make a contribution.
Right.
So how the government are gonna find money when tax time like now if you go no back $20,000 or $30,000 out?
I know. So the first in history that go on with taxpayer get back money in Jamaica.
Then can't believe.
To Americanize.
$20,000 the first in
So
history.
Jamaica to Americanize.
That never happened yet at Jamaica. PNP never do that yet.
Never.
Would you know, me see one placard come out one, we know what time gone pani and say, PJ give me back with tax money them.
Yes. Thief.
So here me I say though, auntie, with all of them tax there and them money they were PJ that collect for that 18 and a half year and them not do nothing. Where the money they go?
You know what me ask the same question
Ask the
there?
same question.
Me don't know who
is Andrew one is do. Look at Andrew one is do in a 9 years and PNP get 18 years.
With no tax. No new tax.
No.
Me see one man come out on TikTok and say a liar Joe tell about no new tax and him borrow how much money and all kind of bullshit. Me just swipe cause me no listen to bullshit.
Yeah, propaganda that man. No new tax.
Me say as me
No,
see him,
no.
Everybody
as
ask the
me
same
see him,
question. And PJ, before him come out, make sure anytime Prime Minister get more money, him get more money too.
yes.
But he not get that
yes,
new one, you
and
know.
he
Cause
not-
guess
he
what
not-
now?
he
That's
not-
why I'm vexed. Cause
Yes,
Andrew
cause
get the new
Andrew
face, so him
not
can't
take
get it.
film.
Yes, him can't get it.
So
That's
he
why I'm
can't get
vexed.
it, so him beg say ma come
But
out
a
come
wicked
campaign
man, man.
PNP.
18
Yeah,
years
that's
man
what
and
I'm saying.
thief Jamaica. Thief Jamaica.
That's why the Bible don't be wrong, you know. They say the rich shall be richer and the poor shall be poorer.
You remember how him this Sue Cliff used?
Yeah,
He didn't say him a run with the bag of money.
Yeah.
And that's true.
Yeah, me not even know if Cliff Hughes done pay him all now.
Yes, damn thief. You see
But auntie, what me I get to understand, say, Mark Golden was a part of the thief in the 90s too.
Yes.
Oh, you mean Mark Gold in a long time? Mark Gold in there
Peter
round, you know.
Bunting.
A fee company and get all of the FinSac money, DB&G.
Remember Mark Golding was, them have one bank name, Golding and Bunting.
DB&G, yeah.
Golding.
DB&G, Deering Bunting and Golden.
Yeah. Remember them have a bank and he run up in a bankruptcy.
We can't
But
really
then
get them man
just
if the
hear
prime
one
minister
man.
then, man.
Then feel say the labor right come out and I do too much and I show the people them what is what.
Right. But the younger generation I read and I see now, like the old generation wanna read.
Remember enough of the old generation them, you know, they can't read much, you know, man.
Right.
That's why some of them stay stuck up on PNP.
Yes, because they don't know no better.
They don't know no better, they can't read and write.
But the younger, me have 6 people and none of them can vote for PNP. Me can't tell anybody that.
You serious, auntie?
And the whole of them put PNP.
And then can't vote PNP.
If they vote PNP, then can't nobody say me a mad again, man. You're mad. You can't vote for...
After all PNP make you suffer, eh?
Lord Jesus Christ, man. Me say sometimes me have one boy I got Jamaica College. Man, when Labour Right win, I mean, I have to pay no school fee again.
Yes.
Like me say, try done school before Labour Right lose this, you know.
I like that.
Yeah.
Oh boy, that's when Bruce Golden win.
When Bruce Golding did win.
Yeah.
I mean, say,
no
after Bruce Golding in the